welcome to my front porch. It's looking a little wintry. I have a little paper up there to cover up my address. But it's time to switch my porch out to spring, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but our Utah-like weather is so unpredictable. There's some weeks we have spring-like weather, and then some weeks we have winter-like weather. And today's a day where it's just kind of in between, so I thought I'd take advantage of the nice day and come out here and pressure wash everything, get that little layer of dust off, and switch all my decor out from winter to spring. Easter's just a few days away, and it was my goal to have it done by then, so I'm doing good. It's like 3 days before Easter, so I'm going to get this done. Let me turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what I have on my porch now, and then I'm going to get to work. So here's my porch. I love this porch. I love that these bushes are growing up a little taller. These are yew bushes. They're almost to the level of the porch. There's a few things that I want to add and change this summer. I'm hoping to get some kind of pot underneath the window here, but I'm still on the lookout for them. They can be kind of expensive. So I'm trying to figure that out, but I'm hoping that's something that I can do. I have had these chairs out here. They're from Target. I've had them for 3 years, and they stay out here all year round, and they are just so fantastic. I love them so much. The cushions are white, but I spray them off every time I do a seasonal change. They have held up really well. I have loved these trees too for winter, but obviously it's time for a little something different. I'm going to show you what I got as far as plants go here in a minute, but I've also got my winter mat on here. It's the most wonderful time of year. Christmas was a long time ago, Laurie. It's time to switch that out. And my lovely winter wreaths that I got at Target. I got some new spring wreaths that I picked up from Target as well. I love to get my wreaths from there. Ones from last spring were pretty faded and tattered, and so I got some new ones this year. I noticed that these lanterns are still available at Target. I've also had these for 3 years and have loved them so much. They stay out here year round. As you can see, everything's really dusty and just needs a good clean. Hi, Piper. I've got her collar on so I can work out front and not worry about her going in the street, huh? We got to get a fence in so you're not worried about it. But when this is on, I don't ever have to push it, huh? You just know you have to stay by me. Good girl. And if you notice this rug, I haven't really mentioned this yet, but I left it here to show you guys because this is how the rug is about 60% of the time. I got this from Costco. It's nice and light. I've loved it. I love the color just because I think it brings out the gray in our stone. And it's easy to pull back, but it just is so light. Even with the slightest breeze, it just blows away, and it drives me insane. So I think I'm gonna move this in the back because I have a spot that I can put it, and then I have something that's a little brighter and fun and a little bit more white. I'll have to clean it for sure, but I'm ready for something light and bright. And then I might go see if I have other pillows that are more spring-like, and I might just keep these here because I think they're good for any season, really. They're super cute. So obviously I'll link everything below if it's still available. Are you ready, Popper? Should we get started? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, let's get started. Okay, I like to do this on a sunny spring day because things dry quicker. I always leave it out here to completely dry. I got everything sprayed off. Those are the baskets I'm going to use. I probably won't use all of them right now, but I just washed them all. I had them all out. And then I like to lay the cushions down here and just let them dry out. And I need to show you. Okay, so this is a little topiary plant I'm going to put in one of those baskets. I'm going to eventually find a nice pot. The light's really terrible right now. I don't even know what angle's the best. Probably this one, but I'm gonna eventually find a pot, but for right now I'm just gonna plop it in one of those baskets to have it ready for spring, and then this summer as it warms up and I find one, I'll replant it. Got a motorcycle coming by. I went there to get an artificial one, and then I saw these and they were actually quite a bit cheaper, even though they're not super cheap. And I was like, I think I'm just gonna try it. I think it'll be cute up here. In the summertime, this is north facing, so in the summertime, at the end of the summer, it gets a blast of heat from the sun, but most of the time it's pretty protected. Hopefully it's enough light. This said part sun, but I think it'll do okay as long as I keep it watered. We'll see. I'm hoping I can keep it alive. If I can't, then I'm definitely going to artificial because I don't want to worry about it too much. I do have a little drip line set up here as well. As you can see, I've got drip lines all along here that I put in last year, and I hate that, the staining that you get from pots sometimes, but I need to troubleshoot that a little better. But anyway, that's the drip line that I put up last year, and it just hooks to this sprinkler bib right there. Okay, let's get this stuff out now. Okay, I got it all put together just in time for Easter. At least the little Easter decorations I have out here, but the rest will be good for spring, so that's good. I've got these blue pillows on here. I might get some different ones, but I think those are cute. They're not really outdoor, but this doesn't get a lot of sun. But I got this rug from Target and I love it. It might not be available anymore. I will link it if it is. It was even hard for me to find. I really wanted to put the same rugs under here, but I kind of like the cream. I just feel like it's a little too big, but we'll see. I might return that rug there, and it's cream. I like it cream though. I'm still deciding on it, but I think it looks really good. I put some of my pots out here that had bulbs in them that I planted this fall, so those are my daffodils right there. So pretty. Okay, let's come up here and take a closer look. I also got this little guy at Target. So cute. I'm loving little cement decorations that they have outside. I'm just really getting into them, so I have a few. And then here are some more of those bulbs that I planted this fall, a mix of a lot of different spring bulbs that I'm excited to see. I've had them out in the sun on the side because my porch doesn't get a lot of sun, but I think it's okay to bring them up here now. They get a little bit of sun at night right in this area. And then I potted up these flowers the other day and I made a little video of it. It was kind of messy. I don't know if I'll post it or not. I'm going to try to get that video up before this one, so you're going to probably have two this weekend. And then look how cute this little bunny is that I got at home. I love it. And then another pot that I planted up. And then look how cute my little topiary is. I think I need to turn it though so it looks a little more straight, but I think it's so cute. Hopefully I can keep it alive. I just put in some little wood platform things that I have and then set it in there on a little drainage saucer. Same with here, it has a little saucer so it doesn't leak. Sometimes they do, as you can see. Hopefully it'll be fine. And then here's my rug. I feel like it's just a little too big. I might find something different. I can't decide. I do like the color. I think it matches well, and that's what I was having a hard time with. So we will see. And then these wreaths are so cute. I love them. I got these from Target also. I like their brighter green, and they show up a little bit more. Usually ones I have are a little bit darker, and I like that these are a little bit lighter, and I will link them down below. The ones that I had last spring were totally bleached out and just didn't really look good anymore, so I had to pick up some new ones. That's it. I think it's so fun to finally have spring out here. I'm really feeling like it is. So thanks for watching and joining with me.